Other news tonight, the City of Buffalo's Snow Response Task Force shared its ideas on how to prepare for extreme winter storms.
News 4's Patrick Ryan is here right now with the details on those recommendations. Patrick?
Don and Jackie, that task force was formed in the months following the deadly December blizzard. It came after the city's response to that storm was put under the critical lens of the public's microscope. The recommendations focus on improved communication, equipment, and life-saving measures. More digital signage showing emergency alerts are expected to go up around the city. Those messages will also be translated into several languages. The city gained access to the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System. This allows immediate alert messages to be pushed out to cell phones. Mayor Brown provided us with an update on the hiring of a fleet manager and emergency manager. But first, the regional director of National Grid shared how they plan to keep equipment from failing in extreme weather.
National Grid installed what we call blizzard kits at our substations in the city of Buffalo. And those kits allow us to have torpedo heaters that would be able to warm up the transformer bays that are open to the environment. In addition to that, we would be able to tarp off the transformer bays in advance so that we could prevent snow from getting in there.
I've said all along, I did not believe that we needed a fleet manager or an emergency services manager to be prepared for winter weather in the city of Buffalo. We do have searches that are ongoing for both of those positions.
The task force also recommends that at least 9 emergency shelters open, 1 in each common council district during major storms. The city says they already have 6 additional plows ready and are expecting to take delivery on 4 more by the end of the year. Between high lifts and plows, Buffalo will have 54 pieces of snow removal equipment. Patrick Ryan, News 4.